Hey guys, Delphine here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how protein treatment helped strengthen my hair strands and made my natural hair journey a lot easier. I really hope you find this video helpful, and with that said, let's get right in. I hope you keep watching. For this treatment, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using, and my number one ingredient is egg. We all know egg is very rich in protein, and also egg yolk contains sulfur, which is an important component to the hair. It stimulates the scalp and promotes hair growth. So guys, I'm going to be using this brand, and if you have organic eggs guys, that would really be a lot more helpful, I guess, but this is what I'm using. So I'm just going to crack 2 of these eggs into my bowl, and guys, I'm using something big just so it's a lot easier for me to mix. And my next ingredient is mayonnaise guys. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is really great for the hair. It helps to soften the hair. It also improves hydration, and it also really helps to strengthen the hair and keep it soft. So I'm going to be using that. And for the mayonnaise guys, I'm using about 3 scoops, and I think almost half. I used almost half of it guys because my hair is dense. I have a lot of hair, so I really wanted to get enough quantity for my entire hair. And my next ingredient is honey. Guys, honey is also really good for the hair. It adds moisture to the hair follicles, and it also helps smooth the hair shaft and restores shine and all those good stuff. So especially if you have curly hair, it's really helpful. And guys, I really wanted to use avocado, but I did not have any, so I decided to use the avocado oil. And these are cooking oils guys, but I'm just going with what I have at hand. So I'm just going to be using about 2 spoons of the avocado oil. And my next ingredient is the extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is also really great for the hair because it contains moisturizing ingredients, and it also helps make the hair soft and also really helps to prevent split ends. So it's really great, and I'm just going to be adding that. So this is what my ingredient looks like all together, and I'm just going to mix everything up with a spoon. And guys, an easy way to do this is also to just put everything in a blender, and when you are done applying all your ingredients, you just blend it up. But I prefer mixing it like this. And so this is what it's looking like. This is the consistency, and it's a little bit lighter than I'd expected. I guess I put a lot of oil. So next, I'm just going to hop in the shower. And so this is my hair right now, and I already detangled my hair before getting in the showers. So I detangled my hair just to make the work a lot easier for me when I'm applying the products. So first I'm going to shampoo my hair because I want to get rid of any buildup, just so my scalp and my cuticles are open and free when I'm applying the product to my hair, so that I can get a better result. So I'm just going to shampoo my hair. And next, I'm just going to use a towel to dab, just to get the excess water out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start applying my product. And a quick advice, guys, if you're trying this, you really want to do it in the shower because it's really going to get messy. So I'm just going to apply the product on my hair, and I won't lie to you, the mayonnaise, it stings. Oh god. Yes, guys, it's really stung. I really should have used a spray bottle because my consistency was really light and watery. So it would have really been great if I used maybe a spray bottle, but I still decided to use my hand. So guys, this is really, really messy. Like it's all over me. Oh my god. So after applying, I'm just going to use a white tooth comb, like comb it out a little bit. And guys, this is what it's looking like on my hair. Yes, this is really, really messy. Like you have to prepare your whole body, spirit, mind, and soul before applying this to your hair. So after applying and doing all that, I'm just going to put that up in a twist and then hold it up with a pin. Oh my god, guys, look at my face. Oh lord, this is so messy. Like my clothes is everything on me. I look like a mess. So let's hope that it's worth it in the end, because all we want is results, right? So I'm just going to keep applying the products onto my hair. So this is what it's looking like, guys, after applying everything. So next, I'm just going to put on a shower cap. Yeah, I actually use two, guys, because And guys, at this point, some people will use heat, either a heat cap or maybe a blow dryer to let the product go into the hair. But because of my hair texture, I try so hard to avoid heat as much as I can, just because I do not want further damage on my hair. So this is it, guys. I left it on for about 2 hours or more. And guys, look at that. This is what it's looking like. Oh my god, guys, if you have curls, like really defined curls, it's going to really pop up at this point, as you can see on mine. So when I was applying this product on my hair was feeling a little dry, almost like I'm using rice water. But surprisingly, when washing it out, my hair really feels soft and moisturized. Like I can feel a difference already. So like when I touch my hair, I really feel like there's a lot of change. I'm really not sure how long this lasts, but I just hope it really stays in there for a little bit, guys, because I feel so much difference right now. My hair strands feels strong. It feels different. It feels a lot tougher than it was. I'm really glad this worked out for me. And it's really a great thing to try, guys. Protein treatment helps balance your hair texture. It brings your consistency back to medium if it was either too soft or too hard. So it's really great to do protein treatments at least once. So this is my very first time trying this out, and guys, this is really working. I can already see a lot of change in my hair, and I'm really going to do this again just to keep this result intact. So after rinsing everything out, I'm just going to put my hair in a twist. Putting my hair in a twist just helps to keep my hair stretched and intact before I style it or before styling. So this is what it's looking like, guys, after putting everything in a twist. And I'm so glad you watched this video up to this point. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and if you're not subscribed to this channel and would like to get more contents like this, go ahead and punch that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.